All right. I have the pleasure of introducing myself to talk about Encapsule. So we have the youngest member of our team, Aiden Wolf, but don't let that fool you. Aiden has been developing apps since he was probably about this big. I've never met someone with so much passion about what he does. I'm consistently getting this kid to focus. But the reality is this guy is just thinking beyond anything that I am capable of thinking about. And that's what gets me excited about the next presenter. So Aiden is working in a world that's beyond us. It's augmented reality. So he's going to share a little bit about what his company's vision is for your future beyond reality. Aiden, you ready?
Yes.
All right. So without further ado, Aiden Wolf.
Thank you, Jamie. Hi, how's it going? Hi. Thank you. Hi, I'm Aiden Wolf, and I'm founder of Encapsule. We specialize in creating augmented reality experiences for brands and businesses. We help to make a meaningful connection in a progressively augmented reality world. And you're probably sitting there asking, what is augmented reality? What is AR? It's Sunday night, you just tuned into your favorite NFL team's game, and on the field, you can see where the line of scrimmage is. You can see where the first down marker is. You can even see team stats displayed on the field. This is augmented reality, and this is an older way of doing it that you're probably used to at this point. And the way people do augmented reality now is on smartphones, high-tech devices with great cameras, and there's very popular apps on the App Store today, most popular from companies like IKEA, Crate and Barrel, and Target, that all let you envision what a piece of furniture will look like in your house before you buy it. And then there's next generation AR, which I'm most excited about. I was lucky enough to attend the Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas just a few weeks ago, where I got to see these new technologies, got to try them, and I got to see where this market was going and how quickly it was moving. And so by this time next year, in consumers' hands, they'll be holding Facebook's Oculus Rift. They'll be holding Google's Project Tango. They'll be holding Microsoft's HoloLens. And so we came to UpTech to work on Capsule. Capsule was a location-based social network that let you share memories in the real world using augmented reality. And so in that time, in those 6 months of development, we were 100% consumer-focused. And in November, we put our beta out to 300 users who in that time shared 1,300 memories in the real world, all using augmented reality as their interface. This proved our hypothesis that people wanted to interact in the real world using augmented reality. And as we got further along in this program, we saw huge potential for Capsule to help local business, tour companies, and museums to augment their experience using Capsule to provide more value to their users and provide further marketability to new and returning customers. I'm talking branded experiences, wayfinding, and location-based advertising. And as we moved in this journey, we went from a social consumer app, and we pivoted into an AR platform for enhancing experiences with augmented reality content. But before we go into a demo, let's talk about the industry. This year, 2016, AR/VR is predicted to be worth $4 billion, and in 4 years is forecast to be a $150 billion industry. There's plenty of addressable markets, everything from medical to e-commerce to video games. And we're specifically targeting location-based advertising, tours and amusements, and live events because these verticals have opportunities in today's market. And all in all is worth a $50 billion opportunity. Okay. Opportunities like this bring us to places like OTR. We're working with the OTR Brewery District, and we're happy to announce we're working with the OTR Brewery District on their AR Heritage Tour experience. The clicker is it slow? Okay, sorry, figuring it out. OTR experience. So we take, and I quit out. I apologize for technical difficulties. It wasn't moving as fast as I thought it would. Yes. Okay. So we're working. So imagine this. This is the Gurkey Brewery Cellar. It's just kidding. We're working with the. This is the Gurkey Brewery Center. seller, which you're about to see, hopefully. And this is what it looks like before we do anything AR. It's a big empty room. It's dark. There's really rubble. There's actually no things to engage with, and you really have to rely on your tour guide and your own imagination to envision what's going on here. So the first thing we do is we virtualize this environment. We create a high-detail 3D mapping for our canvas. So when users are engaged, they can actually walk through this environment as it was in the past. And so we could start to add these AR enhancements which create new experiences. You can even have virtual actors guide people through the entire cellar. And we can even add interactive props, gamification, anything to keep people engaged. These are things that people can walk around, walk up to, and walk through. And so this opportunity can take us to places beyond. We can go in retail. We can go to amusement parks. We can talk with brands. Imagine going to the Twin Towers Memorial and seeing what the towers looked like 15 years ago, seeing the man on the wire from the onlooker's perspective, or being able to walk through the lobby as it stood. Imagine being guided to a vending machine by the Coca-Cola Penguin. And all these opportunities play right into our revenue model, our first fold. And so we're building an AR enhancement tool, which we're applying to business solutions such as the OTR Brewery District, as we scale that same tool into a SaaS platform so companies and businesses and brands can create their own augmented reality experiences and enhance the experiences they already provide to users. We're the first company providing next-generation augmented reality to real-world experiences. Our competition is still using current generation technology like scannables, which limit the ability to have an effective experience in the real world, limiting them to magazine cutouts and posters. And this is Team Capsule. I'm Aiden Wolf. I've delivered over 70 apps for iOS and Android. I've managed an international team of upwards of 14 people at a time, and I oversaw all operations of a $1 million revenue a year company. I'm looking for partnerships and opportunities to apply our technology as I scale an all-star dev team and sales team to make augmented reality a reality. I need your expertise and skills. And so thank you. Explore the other side of reality and discover Encapsule. I'm Aiden Wolf. Have a good day.